Hey guys, it's Nancy with Halo Wreaths, and we are going to make a quick Christmas bow tonight. And if y'all see me in a baseball cap and my hair is like this, that means I've had a rough day. But I wanted to do something fun, and maybe y'all can see my face there. I wanted to do something fun tonight, so my mother-in-law asked me to make her some bows for her windows. Actually for the wreaths on the windows. So I made one in this video, and y'all are going to see exactly how I made it. It's really super simple, but it doesn't take much to make the front of your house look absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to go dramatic and over the top. You really don't. Simple, that can be the key too. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Let's go make this bow. Okay. So, like I said in the intro, we are just making a couple of Christmas bows for my mother-in-law's house. And this is actually just some decorative ribbon. I got it at Dollar General. It was buy one, get one 50% off. There's 25 yards in here. Okay, so the heck, I'll make our new ribbons every year. But actually, I'm going to spray these with Garlands outdoor weather spray. And they should last her a few good years. The ones she's had up there now are those regular florist bows, like where they're velvety on one side and silky on the other. Honestly, I hate those bows. So I would be more than happy to put some bows up with some wire in them, so we can shape them and not have to deal with fixing them every year. Now, this already I can see is not the best quality here. I'm going to have to go ahead and trim it off from here to here because the wire is not connected. So, buyer be warned. While Dollar General is good ribbon, for the most part, there you can see it right there. It's just totally detached right there. So, you know, keep in mind you get what you pay for. I could probably give her some of this fair silk ribbon, but I'm going to have to charge her for it. So if she wants free ones, she's going to get these, which she's fine with that. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to make, I'm thinking like 6 loop bows maybe. I'm trying to remember what the ones she has look like right now. I don't know how long the tails are or anything, but I don't think they should be too long because these are for window wreaths. So I'm going to go in with about a 10-inch tail. So we're just going to start on one side here. And yeah, this is all not attached really well. I may have to switch to a different ribbon for her. I'll go to Hobby Lobby and get some more. Wait, I have some solid from Hobby Lobby. It's not like the rest of her ribbon though. This is. Let's see. Doesn't have that pretty flow when you run it between your fingers. Alright, so let's just see what we can get going on here. She's already called me about it like twice. So I was like, yes, I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it before Thanksgiving. Okay. I think I'm going to do about, let's go ahead and try to do about a 6-inch loop there. Because like I said, we're going to be bringing them down, and I can see those holes in the edge. Surely I have some more ribbon besides just this. I gotta have some more somewhere. Let's just keep on with this one for now. Okay. So we're going to try to pair this loop up with that loop, make them the same size. And when you're working with a bow maker from Amazon, it does not have a name brand on it, so I can't tell y'all what kind this is. This is just a bow maker from Amazon. I got it for like, I don't know, $7, $8. It wasn't much, and it gets the job done. That's all I need. Okay, excellent. So that looks good. And we're just doing the twist and flip method here. Going to go ahead and bring this loop in a little bit, maybe 1/2 inch. Let's see. We'll let that one be a little bit bigger, and we'll do 2 loops about this size. Yeah, I think that'd be cute. So we're going to come in about 1/2 inch and do 2 loops in that size range. I mean 4 loops actually, 2 loops on each side. How are y'all doing today? I don't even know what day of the week it is. I think it's Monday. Yeah, it is. It's Monday. I had to have a breast biopsy last week, and I'm very happy to exclaim from the highest rooftops that it was benign. So this is my first time getting back in the craft room post biopsy, and I'm doing okay. I'm just real tired. Like when your body's healing, it's tired. Okay, we'll do 1 more of these size loops here. I don't like this ribbon at all. This is for a quick 1 year, picker-upper. It's a quick pickup for your Christmas tree for 1 year. But yeah, it's alright. It's getting the job done. I will, though, after I have this bow made, I'm going to hit pause and see if I've got something else. She wants it to be solid red, so it's got to be solid red and velvet. I do have some solid red velvet, but it's a little bit darker than this. Let's see. Alright, let me check all of my loop sizes against the rest here. I like to give them fluffed as I go. Keep my tails hanging down. That way you can really make a true comparison as you're going if you don't keep them fluffed. That one looks even. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to do... Let's go for 1 here. Just 1 smaller one right here. We're going to come in another 1/2 inch. We may make it 2. I don't know yet. I just make decisions as I go, y'all. I like the way that looks, though. And do 2 more smaller ones on top of it. You'll see that? Yeah, y'all can. Okay. I got a new tripod. It's not new. I've had it for a while. It's just really freaking complicated. It's one of those kind that tracks your hands. And I had it set to track my hands, and this thing was going all over the place. So I was like, nope, no tracking. Don't need all that fanciness. And I'm not giving presentations, so we're good. Okay, I like that. I'll bring it up a little closer to show y'all how it's looking. Now I'm going to do 2 more loops on each side. 2 very much smaller loops. Or 4 loops. Geez, I always say that wrong. So that's 1. Heck, I might use all 25 yards on this bow. And 2. I may like it like that. Let me see. How do I like that? If I were to just bring the tail down from that right now, would I like it? Question is, would she like it? And I think she would, because I think 2 more loops would clutter this up a little too much. Be a little too cluttered. I'm going to slide that out of camera reach. Okay, yeah, I like that. We're going to go with that length there. Yeah, that used a lot of ribbon. Not all of it, of course, but it was a lot. So I'm going to get a zip tie to zip it together, and then a whatever they call pipe cleaners, a pipe cleaner to pull it all together. Hopefully y'all can't hear this little lady in my ear screaming, "Charge battery, charge battery." You shouldn't be able to. Okay, so let's come on around under our bow. Make sure you get underneath every single loop. Okay? And you're going to slide your zip tie together there. Don't tighten it all the way. Tighten it, you know, a good portion of the way. And then lift it up off your bow maker if you're using one. Look at that. Look how thick that bow is. I really don't care for this ribbon. So, I'd rather use the good stuff. Anywho. Alright, we're going to feed this pipe cleaner through the back so she'll have something to attach it. I'll be doing it anyway, but I'll have something to attach it to her wreath with. Okay. And then I am fixing to make sure we're dead on center here in the middle. This doesn't fold beautifully and nicely as it should. But it's still a pretty bow, don't get me wrong. Okay, all that crap I can do later. Alright, I'm going to pull it hand tightened anyway. And then I'm going to use my little tightener gun. And my subscribers know what? We don't pop the clip, we just tighten with it. Because it scares Miss Maggie, my little pup. So I just get it as tight as I can with this. And you can feel the tension level. You can feel when it's about to pop. Okay. And then we're going to trim off that excess zip tie there. And now, to cover that zip tie in the middle, I don't know what the florist does or how they wrap it. But I'm actually going to use another pipe cleaner because it's the same color. Everything's the same. So let's just wrap one around here twice. You definitely need thick coverage with it. Wrap it around there twice, and then we just twist it up in the back. And look at that. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Our bow is done. Our first bow anyway. I still have to make another one. I'm still going to go searching through my ribbon for the perfect fuzzy red ribbon that she wants. But it is time for me to go have a rest now, y'all. Oh, we have to dovetail though. Don't forget to do that part. Boom. Alright. How cute is that? Alright, so here is our bow go on the little pumpkin house. So cute. Alright, what do y'all think? Easy peasy. You can do this without a bow maker. Just like to use it, especially when I'm doing thick ones, because my hands hurt. My hands hurt. But yeah, this will look so cute on just a plain green evergreen wreath. All she's got is just the evergreen wreaths, and she has red bows on them, and she hangs one on her 2 windows out front. And it's just cute. Very simple but dramatic. Alright, thank y'all for watching me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me for everything Christmas and any holiday from here to beyond, y'all. I will be making more videos on them, trust me. I want to thank you for joining me tonight, and see you next time on Halo Wreaths.